guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your TikTok application. Basically, you'll be able to clear all your data in one simple click. So what you want to do, guys, simply open up settings on your phone and you want to scroll down and click on apps. Now from here you want to look for TikTok in the list. So you want to scroll until you find TikTok. If you find that scrolling is taking too long and you have a lot of apps, just use a search on the upper right hand side and type in Tik. You will find TikTok. Click on that, guys, and from here you'll be able to see your TikTok settings here. Now you want to go down to where it says storage, click on that, and from here you have the option to clear data and clear cache. Now all you have to do is just simply tap on clear data. You will see that it says that this will clear all data. That includes all your files, settings, accounts, and database, etc. So you just want to go ahead and click on delete, and that's all there is to it. Now once you go ahead and click on delete, guys, everything is deleted. Now you just want to find the TikTok application again. Once you try to open it, you will see that you'll have to log into TikTok fresh. And so as you can see here, it's brand new. You need to go ahead and log in with your account, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.